How to fix iPhone won't charge. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. There are various reasons why your iPhone is not charging, so make sure to do a few checks before running into the major step. First, make sure the wall outlet power and strip is working, or you can also try to plug another device into it to check. Next, you can try a different charging cable and charger for your device. Next, you have to use a direct wall outlet rather than using a USB hub or laptop USB port, as sometimes those give less power. Next, check the cable and adapter for visible damage, such as bent prongs or loose connector. Also, inspect the iPhone's charging port, that is, if something is stuck in it, such as lint, dust, debris, etc., that can prevent a solid connection. And if your iPhone is very low or off for battery, then it may need some time on the charger before it shows anything on the screen. And if you're still not able to rectify the error, then you can simply go ahead and force restart your iPhone. So hold on the volume up button and then press and hold the volume down button and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once it appears, force restart your iPhone, and once force restarted, see if your issue is fixed or not. And if not, then open settings and then tap on the battery option and then tap on battery health and charging. Here, see if there are any settings affecting charging, like optimized battery charging, or if the battery health is very low. Also, check that your iPhone is not too hot, as high temperatures can prevent normal charging. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone not charging. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.